Why are dill pickles the perfect cooking project for you? They're easy, they're cheap compared to store-bought pickles, they're quick, you can't burn anything, they're delicious and refreshing. Here's your shopping list. Buy some Kirby cucumbers. You'll pay $1.99 for 4 at Food Lion. You'll need sea salt, some peppercorns, mustard seed, and some fresh dill. Also, get a garlic clove. Plan to use 4 Kirby's per quart jar. Kirby's are better than big cucumbers because the seeds are small and tender. Be sure they're fresh. Don't buy any with soft spots. They'll last 2 to 3 days in your refrigerator. Keep your Kirby's cold because cold Kirby's make crisp pickles. You can use an ice bath to really chill them down. Another trick for crispness is putting a bay leaf in each jar. As your cucumbers are chilling in the ice bath, you can prepare your flavorings. You'll need about 10 peppercorns per jar. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds per jar. You'll need 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh dill per jar. Two garlic cloves sliced thin and divided between the 2 jars. Set these all aside for the next step. Next, prepare your brine in your mason jars. Add about 1 heaping tablespoon of sea salt to each jar, then fill them halfway with water. Give it a good stir. Now into your brine, add your bay leaves, peppercorns, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed. Two or 3 sprigs of fresh dill per jar will add the flavor that makes a pickle a dill pickle. Two garlic cloves sliced thin and divided between the 2 jars. Whether you cut your cucumbers as spears, halves, or in flat slices is up to you. When slicing, be sure to use a sharp knife so as not to crush the pickles, and watch out for your fingers. I've never tried making pickles with whole cucumbers, but I imagine they take a few days longer to finish. Slicing opens them up and allows the brine and the flavorings to soak in. After slicing, look again at your cucumbers for soft spots. If you find any, throw them away, or you can cut them out. The salty brine acts as a preservative for your pickles. Be sure they're completely submerged in water. Fill the jar to the top. Give the jar a wipe down and close with a firm twist. During storage, the brine may expand a bit, causing some leakage. Consider placing the jar in a Tupperware container to protect your shelves. Your new pickles will be a bright green color, but will gradually turn an olive green color as they ferment. Here are some pickles that have been in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. Place your new pickles in a cabinet or other dark place and check them after about 24 hours. You can open them and taste them for flavor. When the brine turns a little cloudy, it's time to transfer them to your refrigerator. You can store them there for about a month.